Hi guys, welcome to AI Stack Labs, the place where you see real AI automation tools, agents, and workflows built end to end. Today I'm showing you how I built a fully autonomous AI YouTube channel where Claude is the showrunner, Runway shoots the impossible footage, and Python ships the video while I sleep. Here's the truth nobody says out loud. Most faceless AI channels look exactly like what they are: a robot reading a Wikipedia page over stock clips. They get demonetized, flagged as spam, and viewers bounce in under 30 seconds. The problem isn't the AI, it's that there's no editorial taste anywhere in the loop. And the tutorials don't help. They show you Claude in isolation or Runway in isolation, but nobody connects them into a pipeline that actually publishes. You end up duct taping APIs and file formats for 3 weekends and shipping nothing. The automation promise dies in the integration layer. So I rebuilt the whole approach around one idea. Treat Claude as a showrunner, not a writer. That means specialized sub-agents. One for research, one for scripting, one for scene prompting, one for quality control. They argue, refine, and hand off just like a real production team. And there's exactly one human approval gate before anything renders. Here's the actual pipeline. A single product spec goes into Claude Code. The research agent pulls sources. The scriptwriter produces narration chunks. The scene director writes runway and stock prompts. Python takes the approved JSON, calls 11 labs for voice, runway for hero shots, pexels for B-roll, whisper for captions, and MoviePy stitches it all together. Now here's the surgical part. Runway is expensive, so I use it only for the 3-second shots that humans genuinely cannot fake. Cinematic camera moves through impossible spaces, specific subjects in specific lighting. Everything else comes from pexel stock and Python compositing. That single discipline keeps the cost under $2 per video. And the results are real. One autonomous channel produced 52 videos in 6 weeks. Another generated over 30,000 views with zero human writing. The Loki Mode project orchestrates 37 specialized Claude subagents. And AI videos with proper editorial scripting are hitting 4 to 5% like-to-view rates, better than most human channels. Let me walk you through one run. I drop a topic into a markdown brief. Claude Code spins up the agent team and returns a structured JSON script with scene-level visual prompts. I review it once, maybe tweak 2 narration lines, hit approve. Python takes over, voice synthesis, Runway calls in parallel, stock matching, caption alignment, final render at 1080p. Total time about 90 minutes. But this only works if you engineer for failure from day one. Claude will confidently invent statistics unless every script is grounded through a research pass. Runway can drift visually between scenes unless the cinematic style is locked globally. And unattended overnight renders will absolutely break when APIs hit quota limits or timeout mid-run. So every stage in my pipeline has retries, validation gates, health checks, and fallback layers, including automatic stock replacement whenever generation fails. And this is the moment that sold me on the whole stack. Watching the system render its first fully autonomous video, upload it through the YouTube API, and schedule itself for prime time while I was making coffee. No editor, no timeline, just a pipeline that actually shipped. The real unlock isn't any single tool, it's the orchestration discipline. Claude as showrunner, Runway as cinematographer, Python as the entire post-production house. And one human, one approval gate holding the editorial line. That's how you build something that feels directed instead of generated. Thanks for watching. If you want to build your own autonomous channel, subscribe and drop a comment telling me which agent in the pipeline you'd customize first. Research, scripting, or scene direction. I read everyone. This has been Sanjay from AI Stack Labs.